An important aspect of maintaining home is moisture control, and in here we're going to talk about the bathroom fan. We highly recommend before you're about to shower or use any water, turn on the bath fan immediately, preferably 3 to 4 minutes before you're even thinking about showering. After you've used the shower, bathtub, or your sinks, we recommend leaving it on 15 to 20 minutes or however long it takes to adequately remove the moisture in the room. If you are someone who doesn't like to remember to turn on and off the switch, there's also switches you can have installed by your qualified electrician and put it on a timer where you can just hit the button and it'll leave it on. I'm going to turn on the bath fan. This is the typical sound of a well-operating bath fan. If your bath fan has excessive noise or very loud, that typically means there's a restriction and you should call a service tech to have that inspected.